everyone, so today I am filming a new video. Now, I was actually going to film on, you know, my big guns, my big old Canon 700D, but the battery ran out just as I started speaking, so we're not. We're on the G7X, but I just looked at this quality and I'm like, I forgot how amazing this camera is, so I'm kind of glad that this is happening right now. So today I'm going to be filming my makeup collection 2019. So the last time I filmed this video was last year, 2018. Excuse me. But I was obviously in my old house, so I'm so sorry if you can hear my phone going off. It's very annoying and I forgot to silence it and it's over there now, so. Yeah, I last filmed this in 2018, like I said, in my old house. So since then I've got a few extra bits of makeup and stuff, and yeah, I thought I would talk you guys through it. Also, I have obviously gained a few subscribers since then, so I thought I would do this so my new subscribers can see my makeup collection. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to do this more like vlog style. So I'm literally just holding the camera. I couldn't be bothered to put it on the tripod because it's just so difficult to try and like move it up and down and stuff. So I thought this would be easier. So obviously I store it in the Alex 9 drawers. I've had these for the longest time now. Absolutely love them. You know, I'm that common beauty guru, you know. Yes. As you can see on the side, I've literally filled it with like tickets and stuff from things and like signed stuff. You know, we're that girl as well. Basic white gal. This is what's on top of my drawers. So I've got a pair of scissors because I have no idea where to put these, so they just stay up here. And I've got a random pen here as well apparently, so yeah. Then I've got my lipsticks here. I don't wear lipstick that often, or if I do, I tend to stick with like the same one, but I've been trying to wear more recently, so yeah, these are like my favourite lipsticks basically. So yeah, I've got like 3 MAC ones here. I've got some sleek ones here, Tanya Burr, NYX. Them ones are NYX, that's Rimmel. These are also Tanya Burr. Very old, these are very old. Like, you will watch my last year's makeup collection and literally half the makeup I own still exists and I still use it. I'm very sorry, I am that girl. So yeah, you know, we've got the baby lips from back in the day when everybody used to rave on about these when they like first came out. Yeah. And here I've got a light up K, as you can see, and I've got a paperweight because again, don't know where to put it. It looks kind of pretty. And then I just have my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, which I'm literally in love with. Like, look how insane those colours are. They are stunning. Like, honestly, wow. So yeah, this is like my go-to palette and it's just too pretty to put in the drawer, so I have it on display instead. I have the, what's this called? A skewer plate from IKEA. Again, everybody used to have these, as well as the skewer pots, which we all keep our makeup brushes in, so I love that. But yeah, on here, on the skewer plate, if it focuses, I've got an old watch, an anklet that I really want to wear, but it's a bit too long, like that hanging bit is really annoying, so I need to sort that out. And I've got 3 perfumes. I've got the Calvin Klein Eternity Moment, the Chloe Love Story, Shawn Mendes, of course, this little Aveda colour conserve tester thingy because I really want to try that out and I keep forgetting to, so I put it on the side so I remember. My other perfumes I put somewhere else in my room, so yeah, but these ones just looked kind of pretty, so you know. Now onto the actual drawers. So I use the top 5 drawers, I believe, to store my makeup, and the rest is just kind of junk and random stuff. So this is the first drawer, as you can see. These dividers I got from Amazon. I will try and link them below if I can find them, but yeah. So firstly, at the back, I've got some random compact mirrors. I've got the Real Technique like bag things, like travel these things, which I have not actually got out in the longest time. I forgot these even existed. Back I've got a silicone beauty blender thing, and I've got just thousands of beauty blenders that I don't even use, so we love that for me. And these like brush cleaning things as well, so you know. So in here, this is obviously my face drawer, as you can see. I've got primers here, but I don't really use primers, so yeah. I've got Professional, some Dewy Glow Balm. This, which I used to love, is the Maybelline Baby Skin Warm Apricot. And then I've got concealers here. So I've got a NYX green one, a Makeup Revolution one that I hate, and my baby, my Collection Lasting Perfection, because I don't use any other concealer. This is just the one. This is the only concealer I think I've ever used other than Natural Collection when I first started using makeup. Then I've got foundations. I've got like a strobe cream down there, but yeah, I've got the e.l.f. foundation, which I'm not the biggest fan of, I'm not gonna lie. I've got a Revlon one that is literally white. I've got the Rimmel Match Perfection, which used to be my absolute favourite. I've got the L'Oreal True Match, which is what I've been using recently. And I've got this one, which I love and I need to get a new one of because I miss it. It is the Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation. It's just my favourite foundation ever. And I've got the Body Shop Lightening and Darkening Drops. As you can see, I don't use the darkening ones, so that's why it's kind of separated, but we'll ignore that. And then I've got 2 of the Rimmel Stay Matte powders because that is my favourite powder ever. So now onto the next drawer. This is my like contour drawer. So I don't really use, like, I use the same thing all the time. I've got hair in there, that's disgusting. I use the same things all the time, so I don't even use half this stuff. But at the back I've got a few palettes. I've got a Zoeva one there and stuff. In here I've got some little sponges. In here I've got some little Benefit minis. Here I've got a random MAC brush, but it's quite small so it wouldn't fit in like my brush holder. A mini Benefit blush. We've got, I don't wear blusher, but yeah, I've got like a sleek one, a MAC one. I do love this one though, but like I just don't use blusher anymore. This is in the colour Margin, if you were wondering, but I used to absolutely love that. This is the Benefit Juda Hoola. I need to start using this because I really want to, but I'm just a bit scared of it, so yeah. And we have just got a bunch of things here. So we've got a blusher there from Benefit. We've got my favourite Hoola bronzer, which is running very low. We've got a loose powder here. We've got a MAC highlighter, Freedom highlighter, NYC Sunny bronzer, which everyone used to rave on about in like 2014, 2015. Got the Too Faced dupe for the blusher. This is by I Heart Makeup. It's crap. I've got my Jeffree Star and Manny MUA highlighter. This is in Eclipse. Oh yeah, it's the one that he brought out with Manny MUA. It's huge, but I broke it, so that's fun. We've got my baby, my MAC, what is this? Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Whisper of Guilt. This is just a highlighter basically. It did have a snowflake on there because it was the Christmas one, but it's gone now, so I love this. I use this every single day. So this drawer is like the eye drawer. So at the back I've got a few like glitters. So they're mainly Tanya Burr like glitter pigments that I got in her advent calendar like years ago. I've got a little mini Sephora palette, a Barry M glitter, something else. This I got sent with a bunch of other stuff, which I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, these are like eye stencils, which are really cool. So thank you Whoosh Beauty for sending me these along with the other stuff that I will show in a minute. So in here is literally like eyeliners and random stuff. So yeah, mainly eyeliners. Favourite is the Maybelline Lasting Drama. Love that. I also have been loving this one recently, which is the Ico London Liquid Black Liner. This is the mascara that Whoosh sent me, which is incredible. It's also like, it's got a one basically where you twist this top bit and then it curves. It's really cool, but I kind of broke it a bit, so I can't show you that, but trust me, it's amazing. I've got like a NYX glitter primer that's mainly for festivals, let's be real. I've got some eye primers in there. Yeah, basically just a load of rubbish in there. Here I've got some more pigments. So I've got 2 MAC ones. This is what I actually wore for my prom. It is the MAC, it's not focusing, I'm very sorry about that. In the colour Hitchmas, in case you're wondering. I've got, oh god, it's all happening. And then I've got this one in Coppering, which I do love. Then I've got this NYX, okay, nothing's focusing now. There we go. Right, we've got this NYX glitter pigment, which is just gold glitter, basically. Yeah, NYX eyeshadow. We've got some cream eyeshadows here. We've got Benefit one. Back in the day, everybody remembers these. These are the Maybelline 24 Hour Colour tattoo. Everybody had these. Amazing. And in here I've got eyebrow products and mascaras. Got like Benefit Roller Lash, which I didn't know I still had, to be fair. Too Faced Better Than Sex. Maybelline Total Temptation. We've got all the Benefit brow stuff because I got a set for my birthday. Maybelline Lash Sensational, which I love. And this is the one that I've been using recently, the L'Oreal Baby Roll Mega Volume Mascara. So then we're on to the eyeshadow drawer. So I've got this amazing palette from Whoosh again. It's magnetic and you open it up. It's basically everything you would need in a palette. So you've got eyeshadows here, you've got a big old mirror, you've got like concealer kind of things here, you've got your contours, you've got your blushes, and then you've got highlighter, which is incredible, by the way. Like, look at that. I would show you it like on my hand. And then you've got your like powders. It says blenders, but you know, it's just a powder. It's really cool anyway. So that's amazing. I've got my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, which I love. Clean the nudes. We've got a MAC palette here and like a personalised me palette. Couple Morphe palettes under there. Urban Decay Naked palette. What have we got at the back? Another kind of MAC palette, actually. That's got Benefit eyeshadows in. Fleur de Force palette under there. We've got a NYX palette there. And then I've just got a bunch of eyelashes. So I've got the Demi Wispies here. Love. We've got these ones. These are Little Mix ones. They need like, they look like they need a good clean, but you know. And these are in... Do they even have a name? I don't know, but they're very pretty. Some Tanya Burr ones here, actually, that I've never used. And these ones that I've been loving recently are the Fleur de Force ones in Fully Fleur. That was a mouthful. Fully Fleur. Yeah. Anyway, got them. I've got a bunch of glue down there too. And that's in that drawer. So in this drawer, guys, I have basically got lips. So, yeah, we've got some brushes that are pretty rubbish and that I don't use. They're all in there. We've got lip glosses and stuff in here. I used to be absolutely obsessed with this. This is the Hope and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker gloss stick in the colour Nudist. Loved that back in the day. Got like a Lush scrub thing. I've got a note here from Whoosh Beauty, which is really nice. Again, Whoosh Beauty lip gloss, which is so nice. Just a bunch of lipsticks and lip glosses that I don't really use. We've got, of course, the EOS lip balms. Got some NYX Intense Butter glosses here, which are very nice. Some Vaseline. Well, oh my god, I bought this when it first came out. The Zoella Kissy Missy lip balm. Love that. And yeah, that is pretty much it in that drawer. So guys, that is it for my makeup collection. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. I hope it gave you a bit of inspiration if you know you're trying to sort out your makeup. But yeah. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Also make sure to check out my social media, which will be on the screen now. Let me know down below, guys, as well. Firstly, what videos you want to see next, because I'm struggling for ideas. Secondly, also let me know if you guys want me to use my vlog channel anymore. Because I do put it on the screen, but I don't actually use it. I haven't uploaded on there in like 3 years. So yeah, but I didn't know whether to start uploading on there. But obviously, because the majority of you guys are on this channel, I just upload the kind of vlogs that I do on here, because then it's to everyone and no one's missing out on it. But let me know what you think I should do down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all very, very soon with a new one. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.